It's getting really dark out here now. It's after 9 o'clock. Looking through the camera viewfinder, it really brightens it up, yet it's really dark. I mean, everybody's got their headlights on, and I don't know what this is going to look like when it's put to a disc, but it's amazing how bright the readout screen is here. I like the color on this pickup here. Strange color on this rig. If I'm not mistaken, that rig out on the other side is a 19.2 Oldsmobile. Buggy looking thing. Yeah, that's a 19.1 or a 19.2 Olds in the far lane. First Oldsmobiles they ever built right there. There goes Mark, my goat man, right there. Hey, Mark! Gotta go see him tomorrow and see if he can sell me some GTO parts.
You get up to like 60 feet, he's like, don't blow it up, Dan.
Still got some Nashes running around out here. Got a Cadillac coming up here pretty soon. Nice looking 60. Yep, a lot of nice looking rigs around here.